Hey guys, this is Isha and today I'm making this video to let you guys know that we are now a 100k fam. And yes, we've crossed 100,000 subscribers. I've reached my first ever milestone on YouTube, and YouTube has sent me the silver play button. If you're following me on Instagram, you must have seen the pictures. So yeah, thanks to you guys, I've reached my first ever milestone. And yeah, I'll just show you guys the unboxing video. Clap ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റില്ല. So yeah, that's the unboxing video. You can see how happy I am. Seriously, I am so happy and grateful for this. Thank you so much to you guys for helping me achieve this award. I couldn't have done it without you guys, so please keep showing the love and support that you guys have shown till today, and I will try my best to keep you guys as entertained as possible. So yeah, stay tuned for more videos, and if you want me to try something other than dance, if you want me to post something different, let me know. Put it in the comment box down below. Suggest what videos I should make on YouTube other than dance, and I will try doing that also. So yeah, thank you. Stay tuned for more videos and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Yes, I use my hands a lot while talking.